Family Show Plus. Hey guys, and today, me and Jenny are going to be playing the app Flappy Bird because all of a sudden it's extremely popular and everybody knows about it. So we're going to be in a competition to see who can get the most points on it. So, here we go. Okay, I'm going first. Okay, so, tap, yeah, okay. Come on, Bird. Put this, yes, one. Okay. How is this? This is, ow! Ow! This game's stupid! We gotta get more than like 4, whatever that was. Come on. Yeah, Flappy. Yeah. Oh, come on. Okay, come on, Bird. Come on. That was close. You got this. Put this, no! We're going to rule the world. This is terrible. Alright, let's do this. We got this. Come on. Come on. Stupid bird! Come on. You ready? Wow, this thing. I can't do anything. Okay, yeah, I know that's kind of some, but let's see how good Ryan can do. Alright, Flappy moron. Let's do this. Top. Already beat Danny. High score. Here it goes. We're gonna go far. Come on. Alright, man. Let's do this. Get a high score. Let's go really high. Like 50 or something. That was bad. Okay. Oh my gosh. Let's go for the win. You will win, Flappy Bird. Come on. Oh gosh. It's time. You can get a record yet. Just a digit, huh? Can you up for that, Bird? I don't even think we have time for that. Okay. 20? Huh? 20? Okay. You're amazing, Bird. You rock. Rule the galaxy is what I was going to say, but you had to die. Hey, we got silver, not bad. And a new record, and I'm awesome with it. Alright guys, so that's Flappy Bird, and I destroyed Jenny like the champ that I am. Ah, you be quiet, Ryan. Hey guys, what you doing? We're just playing a new app. What kind of app? Just another one of those bird games, you know. I don't think you'd be very interested in it. Oh, so you think they're not very cool, huh? No, it isn't like that. Well, how about I try out this bird game? Let's see if I can play it, huh? Okay, so Grandma's gonna play Flappy Bird then. Alright, now it's Grandma's turn. Alright, Flappy Bird, let's see what you got. Oh my gosh! Okay, I'm supposed to tap. Okay. Sorry, I messed that up. Alright, here we go. Alright, Bird, you got this. Oh, this game's hard. Grandma is an expert gamer. She's going to do amazing. Oh my gosh. What? Shouldn't have clicked that time. Going to... Oh my gosh. Oh, this game... Grandma, I think you should stop because you've been here for like an hour now. Hey, I'm not stopping, boy. I'm gonna beat your high score. Okay. Grandma, it's about dinner time. Are you sure you don't want anything to eat? Nope. I don't care if I have to starve. I'm gonna win this game, Ryan. Okay. Grandma, I think it's about bedtime. You should probably go home now. Oh, don't mind me, dear. I'll be quiet. Okay. Good morning. Wait, Grandma, you're still here? Oh, what time is it? It's 9 a.m. Oh, wow. It's already 9 a.m. It feels like a couple minutes ago you just left. It's been 15 hours, Grandma. You gotta stop playing this. No, wait, don't take it. No. Oh, wait, I can just updated on my iPhone to home. Bye, Ryan. Bye, Ryan. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. And don't you worry, Grandma is in Flappy Bird rehab. She'll be out in no time and back to her regular life. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Happy Family Show for a chance to get a shout-out in one of our videos. Here is our last video if you missed it. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye!